Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. We're doing an upgrade and an install on my 2009 Road King. Got the part right here. So let's roll that intro. Let's open this up and get right into it. Alright, we got a new windscreen. I ended up getting a 13-inch black smoke. It does not have the vents like this one does. So I want to try something different. And I hear a lot of good things about the windscreens that do not have vents at all on them. And I want a taller one because the 13 or this one I believe is a 9 or 11 inch, something like that. Small. It is the only one they had in stock when I bought my Road Warrior fairing. So I'm really looking forward to getting a taller windscreen. Keep the air off my head when I'm riding. So first look at this. I think it looks pretty sweet. Not as dark as this one. I think I prefer it darker, but they don't make the 13 inches and taller with the dark smoke. So first look, I'm digging this, and it does come with brand new mounting hardware, so I will have extra hardware since I already have the hardware for the previous one. So I'm really stoked on this as well. Alright, let's get installing. Alright, to remove the windscreen, it's supposed to be removed using your hands, no tools. It's in order to prevent cracking of the screen or the fairing. So it's really simple to remove. Just get in there, twist it out. Alright, this is the side-by-side comparison. So, it's a good deal taller, and then don't have the vents in this one right here. So, reasons why I got this is to prevent some of the air from hitting my helmet, less wind noise from it going through the vents, and I was told it's better on the bars when I'm turning and going high speeds and whatnot. So I'm going to be using the same exact ones that I just had installed. Keep the new ones in the packaging because I imagine I'll need those in the future. with the new one in, I like it so far, just looking at it. So let's take a quick close look at it. Alright, we just installed the Memphis Shades Road Warrior windscreen, 13-inch in dark in smoke, I believe. So it's not the darkest color they got, but it's the darkest see-through color, I would say. They don't make windscreens that could impede your vision, so it makes perfect sense to me. I'm really digging this one right now. I'm going to be taking it on several rides here very soon. I got a few more parts to install. We are currently closing in on 3,000 subscribers. We got a great giveaway about to go on. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the bell. You're not gonna wanna miss the episode where we do the giveaway. Really cool prizes. Keeping them secret for the moment, but they will definitely not disappoint. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.